I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring the notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and you don't want to miss one. This is episode 144, and today we're talking about the professional services disclosure. It's actually part 6 in a 12-part series on listing your home for sale. The spring market is right around the corner, and I'm hoping this series is going to give you all the information you need to be ready. In a typical real estate transaction, sellers and buyers will need assistance by various vendors. As a real estate professional, I have numerous contacts in many different fields. You may need access to inspectors, attorneys, CPAs, tax advice, insurance, etc., etc. My job is to guide and advise you, but ultimately you as the buyer or the seller have to make the decision which one you need and who you'd like to use. This form is used to make your choice or waive your need for those services. The big takeaway here from this is, as the buyer or seller, you need to choose what's right for you based on the advice of the agent. It's important that you make wise choices. It's such a big investment in your home, and I've had horror stories of clients just trying to save a few $100s, and it ends up costing them hundreds and thousands more in stress, heartache, and legal fees. If you like these videos, you can check out more of them over on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, as well as check me out on social media like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.